Every individual has their own qualities and traits that make them unique, but people still strive to improve themselves. No matter how old you are, there is always room for improvement. Developing your personality in a positive way can make you more attractive in your professional and social life. Let's talk about 6 ways to make your personality more attractive. Number 1. Practice self-care. Do you feel a little under-self-cared for? Many things can get in the way of us taking care of ourselves, including family caregiving responsibilities, work, social commitments, and more. But remember, people who take good care of themselves are more attractive to others because they are able to show that they have self-compassion. Eating healthy food, exercising on a regular basis, pampering yourself on occasion, and paying attention to your mental health should be part of your daily routine. This will promote your physical, emotional, spiritual, and mental health in some way. Taking care of yourself means that other people will see you as someone who values themselves enough to devote time to maintaining balance and well-being. Number 2. Don't doubt yourself. It's normal to experience feelings of doubt when we are faced with new or challenging situations. But remind yourself of your competence often. And be positive and assertive in your decisions and actions. Remember your past achievements, be mindful of your thinking, and never try to compare yourself to others. Try to trust your own judgment and inner wisdom, and draw from the years of experience you have to analyze how to move forward. If you need feedback, find a few trusted mentors to give you a different perspective. But in the end, you need to make your own decisions confidently. This will make you look and feel like a leader, which is attractive in any area of your life. Number 3. Don't be aggressive. Aggression is defined as a wide range of actions and behaviors that can result in mental, emotional, or physical harm to a person, others, or objects. While there are plenty of times when you will want to be assertive, this does not mean that you need to be aggressive. Being aggressive is a big turn-off to people, both in a social and professional situation. If you have a tendency to be pushy or controlling, you first need to become aware of what situations are likely to trigger aggressive behaviors, and then keep those situations from arising. But most importantly, be honest with yourself about these unattractive qualities, and work on reining them in. Being calmly confident and forthright about what you want or the direction you think things should go reflects leadership and resolve. Number 4. Be optimistic. Optimism is contagious. No one likes to be around someone who is constantly complaining or looking at the negative side of things. Optimistic attitude helps us be happier, more successful, and healthier. It can protect us against depression and even help people live longer. Additionally, pessimism leads to helplessness and weakness, while optimism leads to power. People are attracted to others who can look at the bright side of things and can bring positivity to any situation, no matter how bleak it may seem. So we should keep telling ourselves that I can be more optimistic and I'm going to keep practicing. Number 5. Learn important social skills. If you are only attractive on the outside, it will never be enough to move you forward in your career or help you in your closest relationships. For this reason, it is important to sharpen up your social skills. The more successful you are in the social areas of your life, the more self-confidence you will have. Use positive gestures when you are interacting with people and be cognizant of your body language as to not give off a negative impression. Learn to listen empathically, look people in the eye, and reflect back to them what you hear them say. Last, and the most importantly, be consistent. Being consistent doesn't necessarily mean that you always have to be predictable. It means that you follow through on a regular basis. If you find it difficult to be consistent, there are a few ways you can make it easier on yourself. Like develop consistent habits, handle mistakes in your routine, increase your willpower, only make promises you can keep, and make an effort to reward yourself. Consistency can help you develop routines and form habits to accomplish your goals. Consistency leads to success, which is a compelling quality to others and affords you a boost in confidence. Being consistent also helps you develop a reputation for being dependable. People can count on you to follow through and honor your word. So, developing and improving your personality to be more attractive takes practice. It won't happen overnight. You have the power to become the best version of yourself by working on the given ideas. Choose one that you'll start working on today, and watch how it impacts your own confidence and the way people respond to you.